Hi there, my name is Taro Iwamoto. I am a Feldenkrais practitioner and a movement coach. In the last video, and I showed you the movement exploration and an exercise, and reaching down with both hands on the one leg and then switching over to the other side, and to create in different ways to bend and to bend over and to improve your comfort in bending over and improve the comfort in your low back. In today's video today's exercise is similar, except you're going to explore one leg with the opposite leg, with the opposite foot. But you're going to require a lot more, balance. So if it is too hard to balance, you can stand next to the wall. You can keep your hand on the wall to have a little more stability, or you can bring a chair in front and then you can just keep your hand on the chair. Whatever works for you, okay? But if you like a challenge for your balance, by all means you can try without holding on to anything, all right? So let's try that. So I'm gonna explore my left leg with my right foot. I'm gonna use any part of my right foot to slide and then feel the leg. I'm gonna use the heel, scratch, inside, I can use my toe, going between the space, between the toes, going around. Okay, nice and simple. Well, but it's hard. All right, and so this is meant to be fun. So no struggle. Well, you can have a struggle, you can have fun same time, and but it's not a torture. So you can use any support that you need it, but just with the simple constraint, using one foot to explore the other foot, and as much surface area on the other foot, and that's it. Simple. And then you switch over to the other side, and that's it. And this is a challenging balance exercise, but I hope you find this exercise fun too. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions and comments, and please leave them in the comment section down below. And if you're new to the channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.